Hello everyone, I'm Vici, and today I want to introduce you a device, and this is our multifunctional continuous laser welding machine. And this machine has three functions: welding, cutting, and cleaning. It is small in size, compact in structure, and equipped with universal wheels, which makes it easy in more flexibility in various working scenarios. It combines welding, cleaning, and cutting functions in one model, and the power is 1500 watt and 2000 watt. Next, let me introduce you the appearance design of the machine and the heat dissipation. Well, the machine uses water cooling for heat dissipation. Large heat dissipation holes are designed on both sides of the cabinet to assist the machine in heat dissipation. Even if the machine is used for a long time, it can ensure the smooth operation of the machine, maintenance efficient work, and extend the service life of the machine. The cabinet is small in size and light in the work, and which is not only convenient for mobile work, but also serves freight. The compact design also makes the machine easy to carry and saving space. And the machine is equipped with an advanced intelligent control system that can easily adjust the power with high clarity, sensitive touchscreen response, and simple operation. The water-cooled machine temperature control display is external, which makes it easier for the operator to observe the temperature changes of the water-cooled machine. At the same time, the intelligent system has built-in safety functions to ensure safety operation. An emergency button is next to the screen, and can ensure the safety to the operation. Next, let us show the machine functions. Welding, suitable for metal materials such as stainless steels and aluminum, etc., with exquisite weld, high strength, and firm and reliable welding. Cleaning functions efficiently removes impurities such as rust and paint. It can save your time and energy while restoring the parts to their original state. The fountain functions fast metal cutting of thin metal plates. Why choose us? You can use one machine to complete multiple functions of welding, cutting, and cleaning with excellent performance. And with this multifunctional machine, you can save unnecessary expenses and meet your more needs. And we can provide comprehensive technical support and after-sales service. Just feel free to contact us for more information about the technical information and our after-sales service.